issues. So before we start, if you are any those who are asking me questions, it really helps me, so keep doing it. Now first of all, hey guys, I'm Habil back again with another video. This time it is about two issues that Nokia 6.1 Plus users are facing. The first one is quick battery drain and the next one is Wi-Fi or hotspot. They are not working properly. So in this video, I'm going to address these two issues. So before we start, if you are new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button, and if you have already subscribed, then a big thank you to all of you guys, and those who are asking me questions, it really helps me, so keep doing it. Now first of all, I would like to tell you that whatever tricks or ways I show, it may work in some cases or it may not work in some cases, because we are using electronic devices and they are really unpredictable, right? For an example, I just want to mention here that WhatsApp calling is working perfect, no problem on my device, but most of the users are saying that it is not working properly. So that's it guys, so we have to live with it. So there are certain bugs that come with Android or Pie particularly, so we have to wait for the next security patch. And being a Nokia fan, all those who are Nokia fans, you must do one thing. Whenever you face any issue, you just have to report it. Okay, so you can do it through the support app that we have, or you can tweet about it. You can write on the Facebook page, Nokia Facebook page. So do this. I have on the screen you can see the Twitter handles. You can tweet to them so that they will come to know that okay, these are the bugs which are there on Nokia 6.1 Plus, and they will try to address it, because if they don't know, then how they will actually address it. So this is what you have to do, Nokia fans. You have to address these issues and you have to mention these on the social sites. Okay, so do this. Okay, now let's get started with the tricks. Now first is the battery drain. What you can do, okay, go to setting, system, advanced. So here you can see the developer options, right? If it is not there, what you have to do, about phone, and then go to the bottom and build number, tap on it 3 times, and then this option will be activated. Now go to developer option. Okay, then what you have to do, go down, right here you can see that apps. What you have to do, background process limit. Okay, so you have to limit it to 3. Okay, this is one thing that you can do, because this will restrict the background apps, so it will actually reduce the battery drain. So you can do this. Okay, so what you have to do, developer option, then apps. Under that you will get this background process, so set it to 3. That would be enough. Okay, another one, next step is what you have to do. Now we have got this one feature, that is adaptive battery. So what you have to do, go to adaptive battery, and here you can see that apps are running normally, right? So if some particular app is actually draining your battery, then it will show you that it is not running on normal. So you can check that also here from here. Okay, now what you have to do, adaptive battery, and then restricted app list. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to actually toggle on the apps. Okay, so that will restrict these apps from accessing the battery in the background. So you have to just turn on these options. Okay, so this will actually restrict background running and battery drain. Okay, so it is not something that it will actually drastically change everything, but it helps. Okay, so you can try this. So what you have to do, battery, then adaptive battery, then restricted app list. Okay, so this is another trick that you can try. Next one is, there are notifications that comes pops up again and again. It also drains the battery, so you can restrict that also. What you have to do, go to apps and notifications, then all apps. Okay, and now the notifications that you don't want to see, what you have to do, suppose I don't want to see the asphalt updates notification. So what do you have to do? Notification, okay, then turn off. You have to select this, so that will actually restrict the notification, and totally you just have to turn off this option, so it will not show any kind of notification. For an example, another thing, suppose WhatsApp is there, so you may want to see certain notifications, right? So what you have to do, for an example, WhatsApp now notifications, right? So if you turn off this, so it will totally stop all the notifications, but there are certain notifications that you want to see, so just select those, okay, those that you don't want, okay, so then that those kind of notifications will not be shown, right? Suppose group notification, right, I have deselected, so that means what, it will not show, clear? And if you turn off this, then nothing will be shown. So this will also somehow will actually help you to save some battery, okay? But the best way is that you have to report these issues on the Twitter or YouTube or any other Nokia page, okay? So you have to raise these issues so that they will come to know and they will try to address these issues, okay? So you must do it being Nokia fans, okay? The next thing is the hotspot or the Wi-Fi issue, okay? Even I faced this, but this trick actually helped me and I don't have any problem in this case. Now let me show you one thing. Suppose when I used to turn on the Wi-Fi, it was taking too much time to get connected, okay? Now you can see that Wi-Fi has been connected, there is no problem. So what do you have to do? Go to network and internet setting, okay? Now Wi-Fi, okay, now Wi-Fi preferences, there are certain features that have come with Pi, and it is somehow good and bad also. What do you have to do? Open network notification, switch off, turn off Wi-Fi not automatically. That is also something that you have to turn off, okay? Because what happens, it turns on automatically whenever there is Wi-Fi available in the place where you are, and it actually searches, so it also drains battery, okay? So automatically you just have to turn it off, okay? And whenever you want, you just turn it on and then use Wi-Fi. So that is what you have to do, okay? So what I'm saying, Wi-Fi, okay, then Wi-Fi preferences, then these are the options that you have to turn off, okay? Turn off all these options, okay? So this is what you have to do in case of Wi-Fi, okay? And hotspot, there is one thing that you can do, advanced, okay? Turn off hotspot automatically, okay? So you can switch off this also, okay? Or you can turn on this, there is no problem, because this trick worked for me in case of Wi-Fi and hotspot both. And if these thing doesn't work, then what you have to do, you have to reset your phone, okay? And still it doesn't work, then do report these matters to Nokia support center and the other sites, okay? Particularly on Twitter, tag everyone, tag the CEO, tag HMD, tag Nokia Mobile, Nokia India, everyone, and they should know about these things and they should actually address. There are certain fans, those who just don't want to do this, because if they are having Nokia phones, they say that, oh, it's good, it's working fine, no problem, even if there is some kind of problem. So we should avoid doing this, because it will not help Nokia, right? It is not, you're not helping the brand that you love. So what do you have to do? You have to report all the issues so that they will come to know and they will address these, okay? So I believe that in this video I have tried to address the issues that you're facing, but I'm not going to guarantee that it will work, because as I told you, the Wi-Fi hotspot problem did work in my case. The battery is also somehow performing better, but not 100% sure, guys. So we have to actually report everything, okay? So do this, please do this, okay? So that's all in this video. Till the next video, cheers guys, see you in the next video. Cheers.